Ordering Hermes online in France for pickup in store process. How to order Hermes online in France for pickup in store process and picking them up and unboxing them. Okay? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm a fashion freak, a luxury lover, a shopaholic, Shopaholique, and Hermes. And today we're gonna do a quick discussion / unboxing of buying Hermes online on the website in France and then picking up in store in France. And this applies to any other country as well as, in the US too. We can do a separate discussion about that too. But this is a question I've gotten from a lot of people, especially on my shorts and my TikTok, anything like that. So I thought I would just do a quick video about it. So if that's something you're interested in, please stick around. Please smash that like button. Please consider subscribing. Keep on watching. Okay, I got a few things online on the website. So I check the US website and the France website every now and then. I check the US website often. I don't do it as much as I used to, but they have bag drops every day, as you guys know, and they have other item drops. Some items that are not as easy to get, limited edition, or just like harder to get in the store, waitlist kind of things. So I'll usually look for them when I get a chance. And in about a couple weeks, anytime like I know I'm going to France or having a France trip planned, I'll start checking the website about a month or so before, because they have a lot of other things on the French website that they don't have in the US. They have bags, they have other things that are harder to get in the US, and and obviously they're at the France prices, the Euro prices, the Europe prices, so they're a little bit more affordable too. Definitely more affordable too. So I have to check for any of those things that I want on my wish list and see if they're available. If they're available and I know I'm going pretty soon, I will order them, you put them in your cart like you do anything else, order them to log into your account usually, and then you click pick up in store instead of deliver to an address. You can deliver to an address if you have a French address or a European address, whatever the website, whatever country you're in or visiting. You can do this in other countries as well, obviously. Like I said, any other country that has an Hermes and has a store, has an online store. It has an online store and an in-store. Like some countries don't have both. So it has to have I feel like Austria or there are some other countries in Europe that don't, but your main ones, Italy will have the online store and the in-store. Online store and in-store pickup, etc., okay? Log into your account, order it, click pick up in store, pick whichever store you want to pick it up. It usually says it'll be ready within the next business day or whatever, or 2 to 3 days. Once you've ordered it, you get a confirmation. Once the confirmation goes through and they say they're prepping the order, once they confirm it via email, then you know you got it. And then you wait and you get another email from them once it's available for pickup in store. If it's the next day, it's available the next day. And then it says you have 14 days to pick it up. So you usually have 14 days. So you want to try to plan accordingly to go pick it up in store. I've asked for an extension. It used to be 21 days and I think they recently changed it to 14. I've asked for an extension and they've granted it before. So you can do that if you need, but I would just go pick it up, plan accordingly and go pick it up. Okay. Don't wait too long. I also like to pick it up usually at the end of my trip after I've shopped in the store. This might be a trick. This might be not. This is just my thoughts, right? Okay. You get something online and they see you got that online after you picked it up. It might be harder to get something else. No, actually, no, it won't get harder unless you want to get two of the same thing, which is what I did. But again, I don't know. Maybe it doesn't, maybe it does. I don't know if that affects it or not. For example, if you want to get a Pegasus charm, which are really hard to get in the US, and you see one available online because they do have them on the French website every now and then, and you buy it, and then you're in store and you want to get a Pegasus charm as well, or they have some, which they very rarely have, but you ask if you already picked up your online one, they're going to see that and they probably will say, you've already gotten one, we can't give you another one. But if you haven't picked it up online and they haven't seen it yet, if they have one, they might offer it to you. And then when you pick up your other one, then you just pick up your other one after. So then you end up getting both. Maybe that's a trick, maybe not. I don't know. You can get the VAT back too, okay? So you ordered it, you go to the store, you say you have an online order, you just show them your email or confirmation number or ID or whatever. They go to the back, they get it, they bring it out for you. And then I did a whole video on this too. They bring it out for you and then they will show it to you. They'll unbox it and show it to you to make sure that it is what you want. It's in good condition. It's pristine. There's nothing wrong with it, blah, 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 no flaws or anything like that. And they rebox it for you and then they ask you if you want the VAT. And if you want the VAT, they'll take you into the line to check out and pay. If you don't want it, I think you're just good. You just sign a little piece of paper that says that you got it, that you picked it up. But if you do want the VAT, they'll take you in line. And then I think what they do is they refund it and then rebuy it for you in store, so that it's now on your store purchase history, not your online purchase history, which are separate as far as I believe. It's like that in the US too. You don't pay again because I think they refund it as credit and then rebuy it with that credit or something like that. Then they ask you to do the VAT and they fill out the VAT form and the passport and everything like that, and then you get the passport back. I'll just do a quick unboxing of what I got. So I don't know if you guys remember, but I bought a few things. I saw them online, I bought them. 2 things I saw to pre-order, and then I bought 1 thing while I was in France. I also do it. Also, while I'm in France, I'll check the website while I'm there for my whole course of my trip to see if there's anything that pops up, because especially at the beginning of the trip, because if something pops up and I can order it and I can pick it up in store next day, then I will. That's kind of what happened with these. So these two were online. I got two of the same, and I think you guys know and you've seen. But I got two of the same online. There were 3 available. There were 3 available in one hardware, and then 3 available in a different hardware. So there were 6 available. But these are like harder to get things, so I felt really lucky. And so I got 2 because I thought 2 would look cute as symmetrical on the bag. I'm already unboxed, but so it is this cute little Kelly Festival bag charm to go on any bag. It's a little bag charm, and it's got the Kelly closure, and it can basically only fit a pair of AirPods, I think, or maybe like, I don't know, something else small. It does not fit my car keys, which is what I got it for, but that's okay. I tried. Anyway, so cute. And I got 2, obviously. So that's what it looks like. And then the other thing I got, I actually ordered, so these were I ordered beforehand. And the other thing I got, I saw on the website whilst I was there. While I was there. Oh, it has this little thing inside. I don't need to unbox the other one, you get it. The other ones I saw while I was there. Obviously I've reboxed these 2. And I saw on the website, and there were 2, there was a Kelly to go, it was a Constance to go. Constance to go. I saw Kelly to go and a Constance to go on the website, and I told this other lady who was there, hi lady, that she should order the Kelly to go, but it was already gone, I think, by the time I saw the Constance to go, so I decided to get the Constance to go because it's a beautiful bag, and why not? Although now I've eventually, in the past like 2 months, I've gotten a few more of these, so now I have too many of these. But that's okay. You can never have enough, right? So is the Constance to go in noir with gold hardware, in Epsom, which is like more durable, beautiful, and the gold hardware and black combo is. And I like this one a little bit more than Kelly Go. Obviously, I have a few Kelly to goes. Now I have a few Constance to goes because, okay, so it's got the H buckle closure, kind of like the regular Constance. It has back pocket, which will fit your phone, which the Kelly Go does not have. And then it has this front pocket, 2 compartments, card slots, back slot, and the zip thing, just like the Kelly to go. But it's a little, I don't know, it feels a little more bigger, even though it's probably the same. And then the strap is interchangeable, so you can use the strap on both bag, any to-go bag actually, almost any to-go bag. So I saw it online, I was like, yes, I got it. While I was in the store, I ordered it, but then I had to wait for it to arrive at the store, so I think it took a day or 2, and then once I arrived, I went and picked it up. Well, I actually left France and then came back later and picked it up. Yeah, so that's kind of the whole process. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. Again, this is just my experience. It might be different for everyone. Maybe after posting this video, they'll change the process if they watch it, because Hermès is always watching, and they don't really love too many of their secrets coming out. So, not that this is a secret, but like, please don't hate me, Hermès gods. I have a feeling that I'm starting to get, like I did with Goyard, a little bit of a chill out on the talking stuff. So maybe, I don't know, maybe I should just change my channel to just be just the unboxings with no talkings, or maybe I should change it to be like reviews of things and just talking about fashion in general and like what's going on, and not my own specific experiences or when they launch anything new, I think. What do you guys think? I don't know. Let me know in the comments below. But I don't know if this is helpful. I hope this was helpful. The other thing I got, well, this one is another Constance to go, but I got it in the store. So I'll unbox it separately because it was a store purchase, not an online purchase. Oh well. Okay, that's all I got. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please consider subscribing. Please smash that like button. Please share with your friends and family. If you hate it, share everything that makes it. I know every time is valuable. I know it's precious. So I appreciate you spending your time here with me. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.